Josalyn is using COLOURARTE'S Twinkling H2O watercolors to make her very own art logo. She begins on a sheet of notebook paper, which is really difficult to paint on, so I applaud her for doing such a nice job. She's working on a sheet of notebook paper with lemon yellow. Josalyn's finishing up her heart with her paintbrush, but now she switches to a pencil eraser, which she uses like a stamp to stamp iridescent red twinkling H2Os onto her heart. I think that was a clever move to move from a paintbrush to a pencil eraser. This is Josalyn's very first video with the CAMS design team. I hope you'll give her a lot of encouragement by giving her a thumbs up, make a comment, and share this video with other people so they can see it too.